Performance. 6ft DisplayPort 1.2 to DVI-D, DVI digital, single link, passive adapter cable connects your DP++ source to a DVI display supporting 1920 by 1200 or 1080p at 60 Hz, with EDID DDC pass-through. 10-pack. Multi-pack DP to DVI cable, DP2 DVI MM6. Simplifies purchasing, deployment. Cost-saving solution for repeat buyers with multiple adapters on hand. It ensures quick replacement of missing cables. Host compatibility. Passive DisplayPort to DVI adapter cable supports any source with DP++ connector incl. Workstations, desktops, AMD, Nvidia, laptops, small form factor computers, docking stations. Integrated video adapter cable. DisplayPort to DVI cable reduces clutter, minimizes signal loss and potential failure points, making it ideal for fixed workstations in your home, office or classroom. Easy to use. Supporting a driverless plug-play setup, the DP to DVI monitor converter cable works with any OS including Mac OS, Windows Linux. Male-to-male DP to DVI-D cable. Top reviews from the United States. Sometimes it can be challenging trying to determine which brand to buy, so I asked a friend at tech support and he recommended these. I was skeptical at first because I had never heard of this brand, but I purchased them to see if my friend was right. He was right. Superb cables. After trying these for a while with no issues, I bought a second set for another computer. Now, I check this brand first for any computer cables I need to see if they make them before I check other brands.